Hi students, and welcome to lesson 2 in your course. I'm just going to go through a couple of the main things that you need to learn in this lesson, as well as some of the things that you need to do, okay? We won't be doing this for every lesson. As we move on, you will be expected to be a little bit more independent, because that is one thing that you will need when you advance further in your English courses, and as well as you advance further as a student in Ontario. Okay, so for this lesson here, okay, what we are doing is we're looking at what a persuasive essay and what an opinion essay is. Okay, so an opinion essay is a type of persuasive essay. And you know that you looked at what persuasive essays were in lesson 1, okay? There is a difference between a persuasive essay and an opinion essay, okay? In an opinion essay, okay, you're not trying to convince someone to believe what you do, okay? But what you do in an opinion essay is you need to state your opinion and give examples to support it. Okay, and that's what we're going to be learning about in this unit, is how to write an essay, in particular an opinion essay. Okay, so I'm just going to go down the screen a little bit. Okay, so what you need to do, your first activity is to actually look at an opinion essay. So this here is an opinion essay. Okay, there are some tips for you to follow over here, so you can read the essay more than once. You can use a dictionary to learn the words you don't know, and again, you can also use text to voice, like we learned in lesson 1. You can listen to hear what it sounds like and look up any words you don't understand. Okay, so when you finish reading the essay, there are some questions for you to answer right over here. Okay, and after you answer those questions, you know what? You can check your answers right below. Okay, so you can see if you're understanding things properly. Okay, so in this lesson, we're also going to be learning about the parts of an essay, because the parts of an essay are very, very similar in the different types of essays there are. So you're going to be learning a way of writing an essay, a strategy called the hamburger method, okay, in order to write an essay. So there is a video here for you to watch, okay, that will, explain things to you about how to write an essay and what some of the parts are of that essay. Okay, so you can keep reading below, and then you have your first assignment for this lesson. Okay, so here is your assignment, and what you need to do is go back to the essay, okay, and you need to try to put it in a hamburger, okay, like they talked about in the video that you're going to watch. Okay, so there are part of it has already been filled in for you. So as I scroll down, okay, if you can see the two parts here have already been done. The top bun, okay, see this has already been done, and the tomatoes part is done, okay? And all of this relates to the essay you read up here, okay? So this is what you're looking at in order to fill in that chart, okay? To make sure you understand all the different parts of the essay, okay? So I'm going back down. So the top bun and the tomatoes are filled out. You need to fill in what the meat is and what the bottom bun is, okay? And again, if you have any questions about how to do that, if you need a little bit more, if you don't, if you're not understanding from reading the example, then please ask your teacher, okay? And again, you can watch the video again as well if you need to. That's something else that might help, okay? After you finish that, you have a journal entry to do, okay? So over here, you need to write a short paragraph and explain what you understand well about the essay writing, the hamburger model, okay, the hamburger way of writing, and what you would like to learn more about. Okay, so it's just one paragraph. And if you go to the top of your course, I'm going to show you. Okay, if you go back into your course, okay, and I'm going to click on, one quick way to go back to your course is just to click on ESLD, okay? So I'm going to click right there. Okay, and if you notice that right over here is your journal drop box. So that's where you would put your journal, okay? Make sure you put your name on it and you say that it's for Unit 1, Lesson 2, okay? So the teacher knows it's your work. Okay, so hopefully that you're clear on what you need to do for this lesson. If you don't understand something from this lesson, please ask your teacher for help. Or if you don't understand what you need to do, please ask your teacher for help. Okay, and good luck, and we will see you in a future lesson. Okay, take care, bye.